Most people think data science starts when you open a data set or write your first line of code. That's already a mistake. The real game starts much earlier, with data collection. Because if your data is wrong, incomplete, or biased, everything built on top of it will be flawed. Models will look accurate, but fail in real life. Decisions will seem logical, but lead to losses. So before analysis, before algorithms, there's one brutal truth. Better data beats better models. Now think about where data actually comes from. Businesses don't magically get clean data sets. They generate data every second. Every click on a website, every purchase, every search, every location ping from a phone, that's data. Companies collect this through internal systems like apps, websites, CRMs, and transaction records. Then there's external data, social media trends, market reports, public data sets, sensors, APIs. Even something as simple as customer feedback or reviews is valuable data. The difference between an average company and a high-performing one is not access to data. It's knowing what to collect and why. And here's something most people ignore. Data collection isn't just technical, it's strategic. You don't collect everything, you collect what matters. If a business wants to improve customer retention, collecting random demographic data won't help much. But tracking user behavior, like how often they return, what they click, where they drop off, that's powerful. This idea of measuring the right things goes back to early management thinkers like Peter Drucker, who emphasized that what gets measured gets managed. Collect the wrong data, and you manage the wrong outcomes. But collecting data isn't clean or easy. Real-world data is messy, missing values, duplicates, inconsistencies, errors. Sometimes data is biased because of how it was collected. Sometimes it's incomplete because systems failed to capture everything. And sometimes it's simply irrelevant. That's why professionals don't blindly trust data. They question it. Where did it come from? How was it collected? What's missing? Because bad data doesn't just reduce accuracy, it can lead to completely wrong decisions. Now layer AI on top of this, and the stakes get even higher. AI systems rely entirely on data. If the data is biased, the system becomes biased. If the data is outdated, the system makes outdated decisions. That's why modern companies invest heavily in data pipelines, real-time collection systems, and data governance. It's no longer just about collecting data, it's about collecting the right data, at the right time, in the right way. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't to make data look simple. It's to show how it actually works in the real world. Because once you understand data collection, you stop blindly trusting numbers and start questioning the system behind them. And that's the difference between someone who uses data and someone who actually knows how to rely on it.